Are you a business owner and new to selling? I'm guessing that if you are, that the thousands of different sales training techniques that are out there are probably getting a little overwhelming. All the YouTube videos, all the articles. Well, you're in luck because there are some practical techniques that you can actually start with now to learn how to sell your products and your services as a new business owner. Hey everyone, I'm Ian Campbell, I'm CEO of Mission Suite. Before we dive into today's topic, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so that you're notified every time we post a new video. All right, so as the CEO of a company focused on sales software, I've helped quite a few sales beginners and new business owners learn how to sell and learn how to grow their businesses. In fact, I've been doing so for the past 20 years. So let's break down some of the things that you can do right now, really practically, to help you learn how to get more effective in your sales process. All right, the first thing that you should do, write out your introduction points. Write out your script, write out your elevator pitch, write it out as a bulleted list and come up with a conversation to discuss each of those bullets. Writing out those key points, the reasons that anyone should be interested in what you have to say after the first 15 seconds, it's gonna help you start to dial in your primary selling points. Get to know them and get comfortable with them, but understand that they're going to change. So get comfortable with that too. Because you need to realize that no matter what you think that your strongest selling points are, that doesn't matter. You need to find out what your prospects think your strongest selling points are and really focus in on those. Fortunately, there's a pretty easy and pretty painless way to figure this out. And it actually brings me to my next point. Get out, start networking. Going to networking events regularly is going to help you have those conversations, and it's going to help you really hone in on that 30-second introduction of yours. And it's going to help you learn what people think about what you're doing. You're going to start to pick up on what's working and what's not. And as you do, you're going to be able to refine your conversations to ultimately make those conversations a lot more productive. Don't worry about having your pitch perfect. Remember that perfect is the enemy of done, because you don't even need it close to perfect. The people that you're meeting out there, they're going to help you refine it for you. Some are even going to help you identify parts of your pitch to highlight and other parts to get rid of entirely. It's going to be uncomfortable for sure, but fighting through it is going to help you create that gift of gab that's really going to help you know what your prospects are interested in and how to shape your solution to fit the ultimate need. Do you have a great opening statement, mediocre opening statement, no opening statement? Either way, write what you do in the comments. Write out your opening statement in the comments. I want to hear it. If it's great, I want to see it. If you want help on it, let us know that too. We'll take a look at it. We'll maybe make some recommendations for you. All right, finally, get comfortable walking away. I've said this 100 times, I'll say it 100 more. Not everyone is going to be a good prospect for you, and that's okay. Remember, you don't want everyone to be your prospect. You want the right people to be your prospects. So practice walking away, practice saying goodbye. If someone that you're talking to says something that makes you realize that they're not a good fit, leave. This is the hardest thing by far for salespeople to master and business owners to master, but it can be one of the single most powerful things that you can do in sales. Again, I've talked about this before in other videos, but it's important to underline it again. If something doesn't seem right, walk away from the deal. It'll help you make sure that you get to keep working with the right people, and that's how you're really going to grow your business. All right, so those are my top 3 recommendations. Those are going to make sure that you have some practical things to work on, because you're actually going to be going out and doing it. There are a million of different things out there, and it's easy to get lost in all this training information, so much so that you never actually get to go sell. So if you focus on just a few things, like these 3 things here, it's going to help you learn how to really sell and really grow your business. Listen, I hope you liked this video, and if you got something out of it, go ahead and do me a favor, give it a like and share it so that you can help others get something out of it too. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you're notified whenever we have new videos and whenever we post them. Now we'll see you next time around. Cheers.